Hey, what's up with you, bro? You look like a streamer, bro. Rap something for me, you redneck ass bitch.
Let's see. Seems like being relevant is becoming irrelevant. Social media
Yeah.
addiction, worldwide, systematic, intelligent, intelligence, mad villainy, technology like Robotnik, Dr. Ox scheme like Dr. Cloud. This world is
See this nigga talking?
MAD like psychosis, date bag, savage. I'm like a rabbit, but I keep it like a chill, smoking on that cabbage.
Where is your ass at, bro? This nigga's in an underground bunker.
Oh my god. Rap some. You know what you doing, rap some.
We got Craven's elevating, drips off time, compensating, evaporating. What a serpentine mind. What's plain, compensating, then relating, reevaluating. Always reevaluating, constantly swaying. Oh, what's the aim? No one. Don't play. Don't play me. Don't betray me. These thoughts will slay me. Fucking my discrazy. Let's go back to that day where I continued on my way, grab my pipe to puff those morning clouds away, to only look down and see my skeleton body in a fray. The smoke I stole. Anyways.
Looking like an Eskimo. Must be close to fuck.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to fix this chair. That's what I'm actually. I appreciate it. It doesn't really matter that much. How's your night going? You could say that. I wouldn't really call it drip. It's just some thrift store stuff. You know, like Macklemore.
The hell, nigga? God, that stuff from the Dollar Tree, huh? And you're gay. You're drinking Bud Light.
This is Brew House, motherfucker.
Adam as a
Brew
friend. I
House.
like him. All right, man. I wish you the best, dog. You cool.
What's up, G?
Not too much. Hey, yo, what's that? You got that? What's that painting in the background? That's dope.
Rick and Morty?
They kind of got a glow in the dark effect. That's pretty dope.
They go with the black light.
That's sick.
What are you doing right now? You doing music or something?
Just kind of chilling. I work on a lot of music. Yeah, got notebooks filled, as you can see.
Right on,
Type of
dude.
shit. But
Doing that in a while or what?
on and
Oh,
off.
you're in Spruce Grove. Fuck, I'm in Edmonton, dude.
That's where my location says I am, but I'm not technically there.
Not technically in Alberta.
Blood.
Jason, turn me up, Jason, shit. Give me one of them old nasty ass Marlboro.
Not too much, just chilling. How about you?
Same.
How's your night
Got a
going?
cool necklace. What'd you say?
How's your night going?
It's great. You know, I'm just bored. How's yours?
So. Just got a few stuff finished. Just figured I'd chill on this app. Never tried it before, so here I
Yeah,
am.
it's like my second day using it.
Yeah, it's way better than Omega.
Yeah.
Omegle. Don't see no dicks.
Omegle-
Which is good.
Yeah, exactly.
Alright, peace on.
Okay, because this is your word. We were just what is?
Oh my god, he's doing whiteface.
Nah, bro, wait, nah, I promise on my life,
I'm joking.
This is not white face. Nah, this face mask, face mask, bro. Know what I'm saying?
No, it's good.
What's up, you a rapper or something? You be rapping?
Every now and then, I
Why
guess
you
you could
look
say.
like Jason, though? young boy,
Yo, how you doing, bro?
I'm chilling, man. How about you?
Yo, I like the
Oh,
all the environment and the fit.
The vibes are good. The vibes are good. How's your night going?
I'm chilling, bro. I'm just drinking.
Oh yeah. Cheers, man.
Is that shit diamond?
No, it's not that. Just some loose shit, you know? Something no one's really seen before, but it doesn't cost nothing. That's it.
It's still cool as fuck, bro.
Exactly. It's about being unique. Same with the jacket.
Yeah. Unique is the point. Like I'm trying to be unique. Like I'm different. Like people judge me as fuck, but I try to be unique on my own.
Hey, man.
You are unique on your own. That got me my attention.
You think you get judged? I get judged a ton. It's just all about, owning yourself. And,
Bro, I wish I could wear like a hoodie like this here. Like it's hot as
You
fuck,
would?
bro.
Oh, yeah? Well, either way.
Bro, I live in Brazil. Like it's like we use like I don't know how
Yeah,
much is it in Fahrenheit, but in Celsius like 35.
Alright.
Feelings of 40.
Yeah, that's pretty hot. You can wear something like this, though. You feel me?
Yeah, fire, bro.
That could work. Anyways, have a good night, my man.
Dr. Disrespect.
Why are you rubbing your hands like that, bro?
Cause I stand on real fucking business, bro. Now listen, this is what's gonna happen. We're gonna sing a little song and we're gonna become friends, alright?
What?
M-I-C-K-E-Y.
I got something for you. You want to sing a little song? Huh?
Let's see what you got, man. Let's see what you got. I stand on real fucking... Let me fix my hair so you know I stand on real fucking business. I stand on real fucking business.
Yeah?
Yeah, a lot of people would ask. Hold on, I'm finna reload these bitches. Hold on.
Well, you really don't want me to slay now. You really don't want me to play now. They really don't want me to hate now. Do what must be done. Do what must be done. Hey, what up, Dexter?
Can you guess the lyrics, bro?
Guess the
Can
lyrics?
you guess the lyrics?
Alright, throw them at me.
Finish the lyrics, bro. Alright. She got me mad as shit.
I'm in the
Like, we're
fucking
sorry.
Matrix.
Oh, stink.
Yo, I like
Wait.
the hair flow, man.
Is that Post Malone? Yeah, Post Malone. Yeah, Post Malone.
You really don't want me to play you now. You really don't want me to play you now. You really don't want me to betray you now. You really don't want me to slay you now.
What's good? Drop something real quick. I'm a freestyle.
Drop some real quick. You're gonna
Yeah,
freestyle?
Drop a beat, yeah. Yeah, okay.
How about I
Yeah.
freestyle? How about
Alright,
that?
Go ahead, brother.
Alright.
Say the N word though.
How about this?
They got that shit wrote down.
Let's see. We got something here for you.
Page 49.
Page 49 in my documentary of No Talk reputation. Fuck this shit, it's manufactured, conscious, corporate, suicidal, alternate, life forfeit, mind extortion, cold lies with no enforcement, counterintuitive metamorphosis, can't explain, use the counter forces.
Hold on, I got.
There's something that got something to say here, and they think they rock. Bruh, I will smack the living shit out of you.
If anybody knows about pain, it's David.
Oh, I have to get something. Beat.
Hey, can you freestyle?
Yeah. You got a beat?
I don't have a beat. I don't got a beat. Hold on. Yeah. Might have good.
Yeah, let me find a phrase to work off of here. I got a phrase here. Alright, I'm ready. You got a beat? You gotta turn it up a bit.
You rap, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Ready?
How? Yeah. How I wonder I'm alive. How I wonder I'm alive these days floating in the sky, smoking off the greener. Matter of fact, I'm a machine. Matter of fact, I manufacture what makes dreams. Matter of fact, I break down the seams, break through the in between. You know what I mean? Man. You know what I mean? How's that?
Pretty good, bro.
Yeah, it's a little song. It's not the best. I could go crazy though. I guess.
Is that Prime?
Yeah. Prime Energy. Shout out JD Alatunje.
Hell yeah.
So wait. Are y'all all related?
I respect it.
Or what? I don't know how that works.
Have a good one.
Kind of.
Swear to God.
What kind of stuff, man?
Are you a DJ?
Nah. Well, I'm everything. You know. Same as you. We all live on the same planet. We're all everything.
Yeah.